Hello, my name is Christine Garrow, and it's time for another episode of Kids Grab and Go. This is your opportunity to come into the Bettendorf Public Library and get a bag of supplies to make a fun craft each month. For the month of February, we are making do-it-yourself magnets. It's a really easy craft, but a really fun one to do. If you haven't already picked up your bag here at the Bettendorf Public Library, you can do so in the kids area during library open hours. I have my bag here. Let's see what's inside. First of all, we do have written instructions. You can follow along with these, as well as this instructional video to help you do this project. Then you should also have a tiny container of clear glue. And inside this baggie, you'll find a popsicle stick. This is going to be used to get the glue out of our container. And then you should have 2 magnets, and they're adhesive magnets, so they're sticky on one side when you peel off this paper. Then you should also have 3 paper circles with different designs so that you have some choices on what you want to decorate your magnet with. Last of all, you should also have 2 of these clear glass stones, otherwise known as cabochons, and these will be put on the top of your magnet and your paper. Now that we have our supplies, let's do our craft. Okay, for the first step of our project, we are just going to peel off this backing. It's kind of a slick piece of paper here to reveal the sticky part of the magnet. And then we're going to pick out one of these circular pieces of paper, and we're going to put it on top of the sticky side of the magnet so that it covers the whole magnet, just like that. Next, we're going to get our glue and open it up. And this is where we can use our popsicle stick. And you don't need very much glue. Basically, 1 drop of this glue is all you're gonna need for making a magnet. So I'm just gonna get 1 good drop on the top of my magnet, right there on top of that paper. And as you can see, I've grabbed the glass stone to put on the top. And again, you just wanna put it on to the paper and the magnet so that it covers the whole surface, just like that. And now that one's done and ready to dry. So I'm just gonna take this one and put it off to the side. We're gonna do the same thing with the second one. I would let them dry overnight just to make sure that they are completely dry when you want to use them to hang up maybe your favorite piece of art or something else on a metal surface. We hope you enjoy making your own do-it-yourself magnets. For the month of March, we will be making Egomograph art. Until then, bye!